In this video, we'll work on the About page. This is how our About page would look like. It will have a title bar at the top, then a heading, some text and 3 blurbs. At the bottom, we'll have an image on the left and some text and a button on the right. Let's get started. If you take a look at the Pages section in WP Admin, you'll see the word Elementor next to the home page. This is an indication of the fact that this page has been designed with Elementor. We don't have Elementor written next to the About page. Let's open it. And click on Edit with Elementor. I'll also open this page on the front end so that we can refresh it while we are working on it to see how our work looks like on the front end. So let's start with this title bar at the top. I'll add a section and set its content width to 1200 pixels. Its margin will be set to 0, while the padding will be set to 10 pixels on the top and bottom and 20 pixels on the left and right. Let's have a margin and padding of 0 for the column inside this section and have a blue background color for the section. Inside this section, we need to have an H1 heading, whose color would be white. Hit update and reload the front end. Looks good. The next thing to work on is this portion of the page. I'll add a section, set its content width to 1200 pixels, margin to 0, and padding to 60-20-60-20. I'll now add an inner section and delete one column. Let's go with a content width of 700 pixels for the inner section and set the bottom margin to 40 pixels while keeping padding to 0 on all sides. I'll duplicate this inner section. Make it full width and add 2 more columns inside it. All these columns will have a left and right margin of 20 pixels and padding of 20 pixels on all sides in the desktop view. Let me quickly do that for the other 2 columns. I'll now switch to the tablet view. I'll set the width of all these 3 columns to 100%. The first column will have a bottom margin of 30 pixels to have some space between the first and the second column. I'll keep the padding unchanged so that the values for tablet view get inherited from the desktop view. I'll do the same with the second column, but the third column will not have any bottom margin. Let me quickly repeat this for the mobile view. Let's add another inner section and set its content width to full width. Both the columns will have a width of 50%. The left column will have a right margin of 20 pixels and the right column will have a left margin of 20 pixels. On tablets and mobiles, both of these columns will have a width of 100%. So let me do that quickly. The top column will have a bottom margin of 30 pixels. I want all these three columns in this inner section to have a light gray solid border 1 pixel wide. So the basic structure of the page is ready. Let's start from the top and add an H2 heading. Center align it and adjust the font size and wait. I'll also make the text uppercase. Let me copy the text from here. I'll now add a text editor below this heading, center align it, and adjust the font size. I'll quickly copy this text from here and paste it here. Update the page and see how it looks. Next, we'll work on these blurbs. We have an icon, a heading, and some text. Let's add an icon at the top. You can select any icon you want. I'll have 50 pixels as the size and set its color to blue. Add an H3 heading below this icon and center align it. I'll call this Why This Course. Adjust its font size and weight and make it uppercase. Let me actually have a top margin of -10 pixels on this to move it upwards slightly. I'll add a text editor below this heading. Copy this text from here. Center align it and adjust the font size. And adjust the font size. Let's also have a top margin of -10 pixels on this. Looks cool. Instead of adding these widgets in the other two columns, I'll copy these widgets one by one and paste them in the other columns. All we need to do now is change the icon, the heading text, and the text below the heading in these columns. I'll do that quickly. Let's update the page and reload the front end to see how that looks. Looks great. Let us see what's next. We need to add an image in the first column of the third inner section. I'll set its image size to full and upload an image from my desktop. Let's center align the image and set its margin and padding to 0. In the right column, let's add an H2 heading and call it Transform Your Career. I will left align it on desktops and center align on tablets and mobiles. I'll also adjust its font size and weight and make it uppercase. Let's now add a text editor widget below this heading. Like the heading, I'll left align this text on desktops and center align on tablets and mobiles. Next, I'll adjust its font size. Since we want two paragraphs of text, let's duplicate this widget and copy the text from here. Now we want a button at the bottom which has this nice animation on mouse over. We can add and style this button manually, but if you remember, we added such a button on the home page. So let's copy that and paste it here. Edit the home page with Elementor. And copy this button. We'll change its colors on the About page. I'll paste the button here. Change its color to blue. And also modify its text. I want this button to point to the curriculum page, so let me grab its link and paste it here. Let's also adjust the alignment of this button like we did for the text above. Hit update and reload the front end. The page looks great on all devices. but I've forgotten to change these two icons. Let's quickly do that. I'll also increase the bottom margin on this inner section to 60 pixels and hit update. Perfect. So the about page is now complete. In the next video, we'll work on the curriculum page. See you there.